Clients working with our office normally form multiple entities that would range anywhere from various forms of trusts to LLCs to limited partnerships to corporations. And not only do they form them within the home state, but they may form them in some other state for various purposes. But as a result of having multiple entities with multiple jurisdictions, it now impacts the amount of compliance they have to keep those entities in good standing. Every state has some form of Secretary of State filing fee or franchise tax fee or an agent for service of process fee. And so as a result of that, clients will get a little overwhelmed with the amount of compliance and follow through that's a result. And it's happening throughout the year. Some people are getting bills in January. Some of them are getting in February. Some of them are getting on data formation, anniversary dates. And so throughout the year, they're getting all these papers and compliances, and they just don't know what's legit. I'm getting constant phone calls over the last 20 years. Not only, can you guys do this for me? Is there a solution? But hey, is this even legit? And what happens is sometimes it winds up in the garbage can just because they don't know what it is. And as a result of that, the entities may go from good standing to delinquency to suspended to even forfeited. And as a result, sometimes forfeited, it can't even be resurrected. And if you happen to have an audit or a legal problem during the time when you're in a delinquent stage, a suspended stage, or even a forfeited stage, it could present a real problem to my business owner clients from a legal as well as a tax point of view. So working with my clients over the years, I came up with a solution, and the solution is called EMS, Entity Maintenance Services, where we work with our clients and do a little bit of a background for an online search of your various entities to find out what's in good standing, what's delinquent, what's forfeited, what do we need to do to bring you back into good standing. And then moving forward, what's going to be your annual recurring fees, consolidated from all the various sources. And so if that fee amount is X, for example, we then will take X and put that in trust. And for a nominal service fee, we will then take those dollars that we're holding in trust and pay all of these various state filing fees as they come due and deliver to you evidence of filings. And so rather than you having to worry about what's legitimate, what's not legitimate, am I missing something, we will take care of all the state-based compliances for you to keep the entity in good standing. Initially to bring you back to good standing if necessary and to keep you in good standing from year to year. And so we also provide you with a monthly accounting. So you'll see from the beginning of the year, the initial deposit in the trust, any fees that were expended, and then the amounts in trust that are retained and then ongoing throughout the course of the year. And so I developed this for, and I have a little flyer here, developed it for LLCs, corporations, limited partnerships, various forms of trusts. We'll perform an initial online review of your compliance standings for existing businesses to identify what fees may be due to ensure entity is up to date. Very important. Create a customized compliance calendar so we can keep everything paid in advance to know exactly what the fees are, to be able to anticipate fees or to be able to find out how much more we may need because new entities were added throughout the course of the year. File annual registrations and renewals in states of formation. Ensure proper filings are paid. Ensure registered agent fees are paid. Maintaining a digital record of all forms filed and all fees paid. So if you ever have for your CPA, they need to see what was filed and when, we can always provide you with a PDF secured copy of what was paid and when in case you lose it for your records. Provide timely evidence of filing to the entity's owner, the manager, or the secretary. So again, so you have it for your own corporate kit. And maintain an accurate and monthly accounting of funds received and expended. As I mentioned, this EMS service was just born out of pure demand from my clients. It's a new service that we're offering. It's been very, very well received. And I think it's a very affordable as well as a very practical solution to a lot of our business owners. So if you have multiple entities and you feel a little overwhelmed, you don't know what's good or what's bad or what fee needs to be paid or what's your annual amount due, give me a call. Let's talk about getting a proposal out to you for our new EMS, our Entity Maintenance Service Program. My name is Brad Barth. I'm a partner here at BarthCalderon, where we plan today for all of your tomorrows. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.